In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a QuickBooks invoice. By the end, you'll have your invoices ready to accept secure credit card payments online, and you'll know exactly how to send them so your customer can pay with just a few clicks. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the top right corner, open the gear icon to access settings, choose Account and Settings, then go to the Payments tab on the left. This is where you turn on QuickBooks Payments, which powers the pay-by-card experience on your invoices. Click the option to connect or activate QuickBooks Payments and follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup. You'll be asked for business and deposit details so funds can flow to the right bank account. When activation is complete, the Payments tab will show your status and the account where deposits will land. If you don't see the Payments tab, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions and that QuickBooks Payments is available in your region. It's also a good moment to note accepted card types and any processing fees displayed there so you know what to expect. With payments active, open the invoice you want your customer to pay. In the invoice form, look for the online payments section and make sure the credit card option is checked. This is the switch that adds a secure pay button to the invoice your customer receives. Before sending, review the essentials on the invoice itself: customer, dates, line items, totals, and any memo, so the amount is accurate and clear. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. This instantly emails the invoice with a secure payment link. Your customer can open the message, review the invoice, and pay by credit card online. Once they submit payment, QuickBooks applies it to the invoice automatically and updates the status, helping you stay on top of what's been paid and what's outstanding. You'll also see the payment reflected in your deposits according to your payment settings. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If the credit card toggle is unavailable, head back to Account and Settings and confirm QuickBooks Payments shows as active. If you change bank accounts later, update the deposit account in Payments to keep reconciliation smooth. Before sending, use the preview to check the email message and recipient address. And if you need to follow up, you can resend the invoice using Save and Send to provide a fresh payment link. That's all there is to it. Turn on QuickBooks Payments, enable credit card on the invoice, then save and send so your customer can pay online.